Water damage here came upstairs, downstairs. See the bamboo floor wet, affected the whole hallway in here. Also affected bedroom, floor, wall, all the way to the corner. Bed's gonna have to get dismantled, moved out there to the back. Don't know how wet it is under the bed. Also damaged this whole wall in the hallway, and can barely open the door to the whole bathroom. Have water damage on the floor, also behind toilet, lower spot, floor to ceiling. Out there, gonna try to salvage the shower by removing the drywall. Over here, condo was built 50 years ago, so we will be doing asbestos testing. Affected bedroom carpet. Has a strong odor right now. And particle board underneath. See how saturated it is. Gonna be dismantling this bed. Real wood footboards, wet, daybed. This whole area is affected. Dripping, see the water stains in the ceiling. Water was coming out of the electrical fan here, ceiling fan. Have moisture all in closet. Can see the bottom area of the closet swelled up. And then we also have damage on the wall there. Floor to ceiling, ceiling's affected in here. See the pockets from the water there. And even the shower holder popped out of the wall. Plaster, drywall, so we will be doing testing once again. All the flooring will be removed in here.